The mass airflow sensor measures how much air the engine receives so the computer can balance fuel delivery properly. When the MAF fails, the air-fuel mixture becomes inaccurate, causing performance problems, stalling, hesitation, and warning lights. Below are 9 reliable symptoms of a failing MAF sensor. Number 1. Sluggish acceleration. One of the earliest and most noticeable signs of a bad mass airflow sensor is delayed or weak acceleration. When the sensor misreads incoming air, the engine control module receives inaccurate airflow data and adjusts fuel delivery incorrectly. A rich condition makes the engine feel heavy or bogged down when the accelerator is pressed. A lean condition, on the other hand, causes the engine to struggle due to insufficient fuel. These miscalculations reduce power output during throttle application, especially when accelerating onto highways, passing other vehicles, or climbing hills. Drivers often describe this as a lack of responsiveness or a delay between pressing the pedal and the engine reacting. If the sluggishness consistently appears under heavier throttle demand, the MAF sensor is a major suspect. Number 2. Rough idle. A failing MAF sensor commonly causes an unstable idle because the engine requires precise fuel metering at low speeds. If the sensor gives inconsistent or incorrect airflow data while idling, the control module cannot maintain a stable air-fuel ratio. This leads to shaking, fluctuating RPM, and noticeable vibration through the steering wheel or seat. Sometimes the idle surges upward and then dips low repeatedly, showing the computer is attempting to correct the mixture but failing due to bad input. Misfires may occur because cylinders are not receiving the correct fuel quantity. You may feel the vehicle shuddering rhythmically or hear the engine note wobble as it struggles to stay consistent. A healthy engine should idle smoothly. Any rhythmic instability often points directly to the MAF sensor or the intake system. Number 3. Stalling or sudden stall at stops. Stalling when coming to a stop or shortly after the engine starts is a classic indicator of a malfunctioning MAF. When the MAF sensor underreports airflow, the computer commands too little fuel, causing a lean mixture that struggles to sustain combustion at low speeds. Conversely, if the sensor reports very low or inconsistent airflow, the engine might receive too much fuel at idle, flooding, and stalling. This is especially common when decelerating to a stoplight or slowing down for a turn, as the computer transitions to idle airflow calculations. If the engine dies immediately after starting, it may be because the MAF is sending implausible signals that force the mixture too far out of range. When stalling is accompanied by rough idle beforehand, the MAF sensor becomes the primary suspect. Number 4. Poor fuel economy. One of the most expensive consequences of a failing MAF sensor is a noticeable drop in fuel efficiency. When the sensor misreads airflow, the computer frequently overcorrects by adding more fuel than needed. A persistent rich condition causes excessive fuel consumption, soot buildup, and shortened catalytic converter life. In other cases, the engine may temporarily run lean, prompting the oxygen sensors to request more fuel, again leading to richness. Drivers often notice they are filling up more often despite unchanged driving habits. Poor fuel economy caused by a MAF issue tends to worsen gradually as contamination or internal sensor degradation increases. A dramatic change in fuel usage without visible leaks or mechanical failures often points to a faulty mass airflow sensor. Number 5. Black smoke from exhaust. Black smoke from the exhaust pipe during acceleration is a strong sign of an overly rich fuel mixture. When the MAF sensor incorrectly reports more air than the engine is actually receiving, the computer compensates by injecting too much fuel. The excess fuel does not burn fully and exits the tailpipe as dark, sooty smoke. This condition may also cause the engine to smell strongly of gasoline. Black smoke can foul spark plugs, coat the oxygen sensors, and overload the catalytic converter with unburned hydrocarbons, leading to expensive damage if ignored. The problem is especially clear when accelerating from a stop or pushing the engine under load. A normally functioning engine does not emit visible black smoke, so its presence almost always indicates a severe mixture issue likely related to the MAF sensor. Number 6. Check engine light. A faulty MAF sensor frequently triggers the check engine light because modern engine control modules closely monitor airflow readings for accuracy. When the sensor provides values that are implausible, inconsistent, or outside expected operating ranges, the computer sets diagnostic trouble codes. These may directly reference MAF performance or indicate secondary problems such as fuel trim issues, misfires, or oxygen sensor reactions to improper mixtures. Codes pointing to air-fuel imbalance often trace back to the MAF. Sometimes the light appears intermittently if the sensor's output fluctuates. A scan tool can reveal whether airflow signals deviate from factory specifications, confirming whether the MAF is faulty or affected by intake leaks, contamination, or wiring faults. Number 7. Difficulty starting or no start. A bad mass airflow sensor can cause long cranking, hard starting, or even complete no-start conditions. If the sensor fails in a way that reports extremely high or extremely low airflow, the computer may command a fuel mixture unsuitable for starting. Excessive richness can flood the cylinders, especially when the engine is warm. In contrast, extreme leanness may prevent combustion from occurring. Some vehicles use default fueling strategies when the MAF signal is missing, but these defaults may not be compatible with all starting scenarios. Drivers may find themselves pressing the accelerator slightly to help the engine start, a classic sign that the air-fuel mixture is off. If disconnecting the MAF sensor allows the engine to start more easily, the sensor is likely malfunctioning. Number 8. Engine surging or bucking. Intermittent spikes or drops in the MAF signal cause abrupt changes in fuel delivery, which manifest as surging or bucking while cruising. The engine may accelerate slightly on its own and then hesitate repeatedly, creating an oscillating sensation. At steady throttle, this feels like being pushed forward and then pulled back again. This symptom becomes more obvious at highway speeds, where airflow changes are sensitive to sensor inaccuracies. Surging can also occur during light acceleration, when the computer receives fluctuating airflow readings and over-adjusts the mixture. These recurring pulses in power output make driving uncomfortable and indicate that the sensor's internal circuitry may be degrading or contaminated. Number 9. Engine ping or knock. A MAF sensor that underreports airflow can cause a dangerously lean mixture, raising combustion temperatures and leading to spark knock. This pinging or rattling sound typically appears when accelerating under load, such as climbing a hill or merging onto a highway. Detonation occurs when fuel ignites prematurely in the cylinder, creating sharp pressure spikes that can damage pistons and valves. Lean mixtures increase the likelihood of this pre-ignition. Persistent knock indicates the engine is operating outside safe temperature and pressure limits. While ignition timing issues or EGR problems can also contribute, a lean condition caused by faulty airflow measurements is a common trigger. Addressing the MAF sensor promptly helps prevent long-term engine damage.